Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to fix the voicemail not working on your iPhone. It can be frustrating, but don't worry, we've got you covered with some easy solutions. First, let's try turning your voicemail off and on again via your mobile network carrier. These instructions are very specific to your carrier, so you'll need to find the correct steps for your provider. To do this, open your web browser and search for how to turn voicemail on via your carrier. For example, you could search how to turn voicemail on via T-Mobile, or how to turn voicemail on via Vodafone. Here's an example. The instructions will vary. Next up, let's reset the conditional forwarding settings. This feature allows your iPhone to forward calls to another number when the phone is unable to receive calls. Open the phone application, go to the keypad, and dial *#004#, then press the call button. After a few seconds, you should see a deactivation message for all of these network settings. Tap Dismiss, and hopefully, that fixes your voicemail issue. Another method is to disable call forwarding altogether. This is similar to the last method, but will forward voicemails regardless of whether your phone is available or not. Go to the Settings app, scroll down to Phone. Tap on it. Then find Call Forwarding, and tap on it. Make sure this option is toggled off. If that doesn't work, let's try resetting your iPhone's network settings. This will reset your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile data network settings. Go to Settings, then General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. You'll need to enter your iPhone passcode, and then tap Reset Network Settings to confirm.
Your iPhone will restart.
It's also possible the problem is an outdated phone number on your iPhone. Open the phone app, go to Contacts, and select your name at the very top. Tap Edit in the top right corner and make sure your phone number is correct. Update it if needed. While you're at it, it's also a good idea to check the phone number listed in your settings. To do this, open Settings, go to Phone. Check My Number, and make sure it is correct. If it's not, update it. After checking your number, try restarting your iPhone. If the problem persists, try a forced restart. Press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then press and hold the power button until your iPhone restarts and you see the Apple logo. Once you see the Apple logo, you can release the power button. After restarting, you'll have to enter your passcode. Finally, make sure your iPhone's iOS version is up to date and your mobile network carrier version is also up to date. Open the Settings app, go to General, and then tap Software Update. It will search for available updates. If there's an update available, follow the prompts to install it. Keep in mind your iPhone needs to be charging, and have at least 50% battery for this to work. When your iPhone restarts, it will not only update the iOS version, but also update your mobile network carrier version if there is one. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these methods fixed your voicemail problem. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more iPhone tips and tricks. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching.